she is all strapped.
Yo, yo, yo! What is going on, fishing family and friends? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone's well, blessed, and been fishing. Anyways, I am back with another fishing adventure. Now we are at, I say we, but seems to me I'm alone. I am at Centerhill Dam. I've got my yak. And I'm planning on doing some dam fishing. I've got some jigs. Kind of plan on fishing the bottom today. I've got a ultralight with a Roadrunner on and a, I don't know what it is. It's like some new bait that I bought last night. It might be Yamamoto brand or something. But it's like a little small looking grub minnow looking thing. Anyways, I also have my medium heavy set up. I've got, I think it's 3/8 or 3/6. I got some type of jig head on there. It's a little lighter than a 1/2 ounce. And I put, what did I put on there? Oh, I found these Zoom Fat Daddy curly tail. It's a double curly tail grub and a chartreuse. So I heard chartreuse works well here, so I got that. Now, I have done vlogs and adventures on the Caney Fork River, which is the tailwater of this particular dam. But I'm just gonna stay at the dam to fish today. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get unloaded and get this adventure rolling. Ready. So, I've got these old recycled tube wood connection things. Now, I once upon a time used these for a teepee my kids had, but the teepee itself broke, so I just saved these, and that's what I use for my GoPro mount on my kayak. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna make it just a little bit longer, and we're gonna get it over there and get it set up. So now we got our GoPro mount ready to go in the kayak. That's that new Fat Albert. It's got a double freaking tail on it, double curly tail, and it's chartreuse pearl. Now I bought this. The guy at the bait shop pretty much talked me into buying this multi-species slayer that I got on my medium setup. I got it on 10-pound braid, but that thing looks pretty cool. It's called like a steel shad. Then we got ultralight Roadrunner with some new type of cool soft plastic I found. I think it's a Yamamoto bait. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in the yak. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take one more cast, maybe two, on my 3/8 of an ounce, I believe it is. It's either a 1/4 of an ounce or 3/8 of an ounce jig head with my chartreuse double this right here. Okay, we'll throw it a couple more times, and then I'm gonna try my 1 ounce jig and like vertical plop it more in like the still water here, because I was getting hits right here, and then it kind of died off. We got a fish. He got off messing with my camera, y'all. My fish got off messing with my freaking camera. No more bull crapping around, y'all. Here we go. Got him. Fish. Safe to say that smallmouth following me wherever I go, y'all. He's going crazy. He's going crazy. I'm so happy. Schmally, y'all. Y'all know smallmouth love me. They love me. Schmallies love Ashlyn. Okay, so game plan. I gotta hurry and get lines in the water, because that's supposed to be what we're doing today. Lines in the water. I'm gonna go back to this wall I caught my smallie off of, and I'm gonna fish that tail water, because there's a lot of people over here, and plus, you know, why wouldn't I want to fish where I caught a fish before? So I'm gonna go over there and check it out for a little bit, and oh no, I'm gonna make some bait changes, but if I do, I'll let y'all know. All right, y'all, new approach. So the last rig I have set up is my Roadrunner. So let's see, you know, this might be what is it just me, or did I get really far away from where I want to be? I think Roadrunner might do all right over here in this, where they're generating water. Let's see if he'll do anything. I really hope he does, because that'd be freaking cool. This is just gonna be a cast and retrieve type situation. This is my ultralight, so anything I catch on this, I'm gonna feel every inch, scale, and fin. About to go for a ride, fish. We gonna go for a ride today. Going for a ride. Don't get off. He's big, and this is ultralight. Come on. It got drag. Keep reeling it. About giving me a panic attack. Whew. Okay, before y'all go judge me losing my fish, this is a 6-pound test on an ultralight, and that fish had some poundage behind it. Don't get a ridiculous tan one on my feet. I'm embarrassed. I tan so freaking easy. It's no good. Okay, well, so, okay, y'all, you see old Super Snapper over here? This man, he done stole my spot, y'all. He done came in and then cut me off with his boat. Y'all know boat versus kayak. The boat usually wins, so yeah, he kind of, old Super Snapper over there stole my spot. Y'all, I got freaking problems, I know. But seriously, no, I was over there fishing. That's the only spot I've been able to get any bites or catch anything. And he comes over there, like, he was getting a little close, He was just itching closer and closer, and the first opportunity he got, he slid his little super snapper in there and took my spot. Oh, jigging in July. Getting jiggy in July. Then ain't July, it's freaking June. Jiggy in June. Work! Go! Yes! Why did I do this all day? Why do my vertical jig all day? I could have caught more sauger. Y'all, you gotta keep it. Sauger? Yeah. I need you to be a 15-incher to be a keeper. Y'all look at y'all know I love my sauger. They're so pretty. Hi, baby. I've been thinking about you and your walleye cousin all day. All freaking day. Ooh, that's a keeper, you guys. I'd be surprised if this isn't a keeper. Let's see. This old fish stick. Reach 15. No, I know he's not 14 in 14.75. They need to be 15. 14 used to be the keeper size limit, but not no more. Oh, you want me to hold it up? Okay. I love sauger. They're my favorites. Before he flops, y'all. Thanks. Virtually slapped me for not vertical jigging. I thought about it all day, but I wasn't sure. But let's get him out of here. I see something. I think it's a piece of trash. So let me do wildlife service and get it the crap out of here. We don't like that. If you guys ever see litter in your waterway, get it out. Copenhagen. Yep. Little wally walleye. Grab. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, you ain't gonna give me your gill plates, buddy. Wally walleye in the house. Wally walleye. Wally walleye. Okay. Oh, yep. You ain't gonna give me your gill plates. Wally walleye. Back in. Yo, he swam down quick too. All right, fishing family and friends, I went ahead and paddled back in. It started getting cold, and I'm not gonna lie, yeah, girl's legs are on fire. Yeah, look, white, red, ow. Yeah, and so when I was paddling, that cold Caney Fork water was touching my burnt legs. I'm like, yeah, it's time to go. And plus, it's starting to cool down out here. The bite seemed like it slowed down. The bite was slow in general today, but we still caught fish. I had a great time. That fight was wild on the ultralight. Boy, I tell you what. So I definitely want to come back here again. And now that I know it's really not too bad of a dam to fish below in a kayak. Maybe one day I can bring the older kids here to paddle and fish. But if you look at my older vlogs, we've actually trout fished Caney Fork a few times on the kayaks. This is the first time I actually fished below the dam. It was a lot of fun. I had a great time. I love fishing. I love running into people who like fishing too. You know, a lot of the times you'll see other people fishing and they might not be as social, but sometimes you get lucky, and you know, I've met a couple great people over the years fishing. So you get out there, you guys, get out there. Tennessee has a lot of awesome fishing to offer, but I really appreciate y'all checking out that vlog, and I look forward to the next adventure.